Hello, my name is Tiana and I'm going to make a tutorial and show you how to make audio or video recording that you can attach to the forum. So first of all, we go to the dashboard and we scroll down to the courses. We choose Moodle for Teachers. As you can see here, we have different information about activities during the course, and we can go to, let's say, support forum or any forum here, and when we come to this we go to add a new discussion topic. So we click on this and we get this open window. As this sign means it's necessary to write here something, we are going to write, let's say, a title, new tutorial, and we see here in the window for the comments different icons. If you click on this arrow, we can see more possibilities, more features. So I'm going to choose this icon of microphone sorry, to make an audio recording. So here, when I click on this green button, I record my voice. Hello, my name is Tiana. Hope you will enjoy the tutorial. I make a stop here, pause, and I can resume recording by clicking again at this green microphone, and this red button here shows that recording is on. When I want to finish, I click again here, and if I want to check how the recording goes, I click on this green arrow button. I record my voice. Hello, my name is Tiana. So, stop here, and I have two options: to upload the recording if I'm satisfied with this, or to record again. Because this recording is clear enough and I'm happy with it, I'm going to upload it. Here we are. So it's embedded here in the window. I can make the same thing with video recording, but this time I click on the camera, and here is the symbol for audio recording. Oh, something goes wrong. Let's try it with, no, doesn't work. Sorry. Let's try with this one. Oh, this is good. Start recording. Sorry. I will go to you back again. Here we are. Bye bye. And at least this audio recording I need to post to forum, and this is it. Here we are. It's placed here and it's available for you to listen to it. So thank you for listening. Bye bye.